All right, this is going to be a real quick short video because I'm already done. But for the rear bumper removal on a 25 Ram, 25 or 3500, they've actually simplified it tremendously. So now you have this master plug at the back, kind of like your main ECM harness on the front firewall. It's still 15 millimeter for 2 bolts on the outsides. There are no bolts on the inside, it's just the outsides. You still have the 2 nuts behind the license plate bracket, two bolts on the other side. So the only thing that you'd have to unplug for wiring other than this huge connector would be if you have the trailer digital rear view mirror quick connect on the tailgate. So that is like independent, zip tied to the frame. So that's if you have this guy. But all the rest of it, very nice. That whole wiring harness is just attached to the bumper itself, not the frame or anything else. So all I did was I took 2 hand towels and I draped them in and pulled them through all the way in. And that way I removed my 2 outside bolts here on each side, left the nuts till the end, remove those, and then me by myself, I could come in and remove the bumper and not have to worry about scratching the paint on the sides since I had the towels on there. So hope that helped. Super simple. I was kind of dreading doing this, and I don't think it even took me 10 minutes.